Okay, we are on the second page of the review. We are going to look at our scientific notation, so numbers 5 and 6. So when you're working with a number and you want to put it in scientific notation, you want to take anything that's not a zero unless you have a zero trapped in between those numbers. So I want to drop, for A, I want to drop all of those on the left, and on B, I want to drop all the zeros on the right. So I'm going to keep the 5, the 4, and the 1. And I want to make this a number between 1 and 10, so I'm going to put the decimal after the 5. So now I want to multiply it by a power of 10. So what I want to do is think about where I put the decimal, and then how many places do I have to move it to get it back to where it was. So if I put it here, I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to the left. So that's going to give me an exponent of -9. Let me switch back here. So for the second problem, I keep everything but the zeros. I want it to be a number between 1 and 10, so I put the decimal between the 6 and the 3. I'm going to multiply that by a power of 10. So if I think about where I put the decimal this time, I put it right here. Originally it was here after the 0. So to go back to the original, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. So that's going to be an exponent of +5. All right, now if I look at going the other direction, starting in scientific and going back to standard, I look at the exponent, and that tells me how many places to move the decimal. So for A, I'm going to go 6 places to the right. And for B, it's negative, so I'm going to go 3 places to the left. All right, so if I take this decimal, if I imagine going 6 places to the right, I need 2 to get around the 8 and the 3, so then 1, 2, 3, 4 more. So when I do write my answer, I have -4, 8, 3, and remember I needed 4 more places, so 4 more zeros on the end. Now I should be able to look at where the decimal was versus where I put it, and that should be 6 places to the right. Okay, so for the last one, if I go 3 places to the left, notice my first place gets me around my 2, so I need 2 more. So 2 zeros, and then a 2912, so 0.002912. And I can check, I had originally had the decimal here. I went 3 places to the left for it to land here. So I know I went the correct number of places. All right, so this should take care of your second page of the review.